One of the biggest problem AI content creators face today is video generation. Yes, as we speak, you will hardly see a platform that will give you a long-term video generation that can come up to 8 minutes, 10 minutes video, which is the basic long form video people need to make. And it has been a big problem all over social media. Has been one of the top search requests people make online, searching for free AI tools to use. I get messages all the time asking which AI tools can I use for free without paying. I understand it has been a big problem, but one thing I need to point out is this. It would be nice you watch my videos and find out the one you need, because creating AI content is vast. A lot of people want to create AI content with their photos, with their real image, and with their own voice clone. I've made a video on how to clone your voice. Check the videos up here. I've made videos on how to clone 3 different voices, and it will be absolutely free for you to clone and use them for dialogue scripts. And to solve the video generating problem, we need to always watch my videos and understand the platform that you can use at a particular time. I always carry out research on free AI platform that can give you video generation that can work very well for you. I've made a couple of videos on free AI tools you can use, which you can take them out and confirm them immediately. And one good thing is this: whenever I make the video, I made it clear that these videos can be actually used right now. For the ones that gives you free credits, I've made a video on how you can get the credits every day and create your content, which is absolutely easy for you to do. So jump on my videos, watch them, and know the one you should do. If you like my content, why not subscribe to the channel? Click on bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. I solve problems using AI, on how you can use AI to create amazing UGC videos, cartoon characters, movie clips. I've done movies with AI, countless movies with AI, even when you can have food items, potatoes, and other food items to speak, talk, which can drag attention to your channel and get your channel monetized as well. So I don't know why people find it difficult to watch the videos and understand. So for the long form videos, if you are working on budget, I always advise people that want to work on budgets, or literally you don't have money to pay for AI tools. There are a couple of free AI tools that you can use, which I have already made videos about them. So watch my videos and find out the one you can use. There is AI video generating tools on YouTube, which a lot of people are not aware. That is why I come in. I've made video on how you can create AI voiceover. You clone yourself, your face, your body, how you look, and tell your image what to do. You can even clone your voice on AI that is on YouTube, which is absolutely 100% free. As at the time I'm making this video, it's on your mobile phone. You cannot get it on the laptop. So jump on my videos. You have every reason to watch my video. I understand that lack of information is a big problem. That's why I am making this video repeatedly and making sure that I solve your problem. My name is Anthony. I love to create content with AI. AI is not coming. AI is already here. And you need to ask yourself, will AI replace my job? A lot of people are crying right now. Gone are the days where people come on YouTube and they find it difficult to create amazing YouTube thumbnails. You have to go to Fiverr, Upwork, and even pay graphic designers to design thumbnails for you. No, I've made a video on how you can design your thumbnail from scratch. Just a rough sketch of your thumbnail from Canva, take it over to ChatGPT and have a professional looking thumbnail without spending a dime. And you can achieve all these things with just your mobile phone. So you don't need to give excuse or procrastinate. I don't have a laptop. I cannot do this. I cannot do that. No, gone are the days you need to procrastinate and give excuses why you cannot do all those things. AI is already here. It is enriching people, changing people's financial status in life, making them rich. Come up with ideas. You can make videos advertising a product for any company and you get paid for it. I've made a lot of videos, Sedence 2 and Grok 1.5, so many videos out there that you can actually achieve for absolutely free. If you have money and you want to afford the paid versions, I can give you list of AI tools you need to get. So if you want to know the best AI tools to get out there for your animation videos, I will ask you a couple of questions because Grok AI has what they are good in. Hey Jane has what they are good in. With Grok AI, you cannot use your voice. It has advantage and disadvantage. So each AI model out there has what they are good at. So you need to have a good communication with me. I'll know what you are going into. I have a student that is going into animations, cartoon characters, but she wants the cartoon characters to use her voice because I always emphasize on human touch. Get your script done yourself. You can get a support of AI, but 100 to 70% need to be part of your own idea so that your script will be unique, your storyline will be standard. Nobody has a storyline, and you stand out from the crowd and make good money for yourself. So you mustn't have your channel monetized before you start earning money. You can as well solve people's problem and earn good money from it. When you have 3 to 5 clients that pays you for adverts, that pays you for UGC, for advert video, product advert videos out there, you will make good money for yourself. So leave whatever you are doing right now, smash that subscribe button, click on bell notification so you get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. And you know how I do it. I don't get keep on this platform. I always share and solve problems. So I want to see you smile and ask your questions. Hi, Anthony. How do I get this? Anthony, how were you able to achieve this? I will explain everything from start to finish. Okay. My aim is to see that we solve the problem we have and reduce the inflation high rate we have right now. So what are you waiting for? Smash that button, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. I remain Anthony Olo. Let me know the type of content you want to create next. Let me know the challenges you are facing. Let me know what is holding you. We could trash it once and for all, and your first video will be a massive one. Let me know on the comment section. Don't be shy. Like I always say, I don't bite. I don't blame you for whatever reason why you've not been producing or creating content. Let me know on the comment section. And of course, I will see you on my next video. Cheers.